Hi everyone, this is Tony here. In this video we're going to cover the process of how to install and use the Hermez mobile wallet. We'll see how to access the wallet, the different actions that you can do, and you'll find plenty of useful links in the description below. Before we start, bear in mind that this video is only for educational purposes and is not financial advice. The Hermez mobile wallet app is available for iOS on the App Store and for Android on Google Play. Both have similar interfaces. For the sake of this video, we'll use the Android app. So let's go now and click Play Store. And we're gonna type Hermez and just select the one with the orange logo and click Install. And just give it a couple of seconds. Here we go. This is the first screen that you will see. It gives the option to create a wallet or import a wallet. Let's create one for the sake of this video. You have to input a 6-digit passcode and it should be creating. Here we go, the wallet has been created. So this is the first screen that we see once you have created a wallet. It says make your first deposit and you can see these two kind of cards representations. Each card represents a wallet. You have a Hermez wallet, a layer 2 wallet. And then we have an Ethereum wallet, a layer 1 wallet. So the layer 2 could be the same as you would see if you interact with the Hermez web wallet. It would be a layer 2. And the Ethereum wallet would be what you would see through a normal MetaMask wallet. And if we click on the Hermez wallet, we see here a QR code that you can use if you want to send tokens through a layer 2 transaction. And if we click here in more info, you can see a list of all the supported tokens. And if you click on the Ethereum wallet, it's the same. We're just seeing a layer 1 wallet. You can use it to send tokens to another layer 1 wallet. And thanks to this interface, it's very easy to swap between layer 1 and layer 2 wallets. You have them both at hand. And on the top right, if we hit the X, we'll go to the main screen. And here at the bottom right, you have this setting icon. So you have different options here to like back up the wallet, where you can of course it's highly recommendable that you can back up the seed phrase of your wallet to recover it later. You have security settings like showing the recovery phase, changing the passcode. You can also enable your fingerprint, and you have advanced options like forced withdrawal or modifying the default fee between fast, average or slow. And you have the option of remove the account, which is what we're going to do right now, because we're also gonna show how to import our existing wallet. So you just need to hit import wallet and then you'll have to input your recovery phrase. So give me 1 second. Here we go. Let's create a new passcode. And you can enable the fingerprint. I'm gonna skip it for now. Here we go, the wallet is imported successfully, and now you can see I have funds both in my layer 2 wallet and in my layer 1. So you see here I have some Hermez from previous video tutorials, and you can see the transaction history that I've done on my web wallet. And of course you can send Hermez, we'll see that in a minute. You have also the option to request a payment to another wallet that you can share through WhatsApp or Telegram, or you can move funds from layer 2 to the layer 1 wallet. And if you do that, just for the sake of the example, you can see an estimation of the fee, the Hermez fee, the Ethereum fee. And let's go back. If we enter the Ethereum wallet, you can see here I have some ETH, some DAI, and I can send it to another Ethereum address directly from my Hermez mobile app. And of course you can see as well the history of transactions. Let's send, say, 5 Hermez. So if we click on Hermez token and click send, here we go. Just type in the amount of tokens. Let's type 5 and the address. Just hit continue. You see the confirmation screen from to and the Hermez fee. And just enter the passcode for an extra security step. Just click send and the transaction is awaiting verification. It'll typically take about 10 minutes for the verification to be completed. That's the batch time, the average batch time in Hermez. In the meantime, you can see the transaction in the Hermez batch explorer, so you see more details about it. like the from, the to, and the transaction ID. And that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful and you enjoyed the video. If you have any further question, by all means, join us in our Telegram group or our Discord server. You have a support channel there to report any issues. You have also a feedback channel where you can just give us your ideas, your impressions about the wallet, or if you want to see any further features in the future. Thank you very much. See you next time.